What's up, guys? We are here. We came down to a discreet and undisclosed location,
Marietta,
because Carlos is gonna be getting a muffler.
Well, I'm getting that already.
He's getting a muffler delete and a resonator
delete.
on his BMW Z4. So we're just walking around, killing some time right now.
My mom's gonna hate me because she didn't want me to, because I'm gonna fuck up my mom.
So we just came over here because we just saw a Lamborghini Diablo, and we just came to show you guys and check it out. Here it is. We just spotted this from afar. It's a Lamborghini Diablo. And it's a pretty rare car. You don't see these every day. It's really dirty. So Carlos just got his brand new exhaust on his car. So he's gonna turn it on and we're gonna give it a little rev, see how it is. Oh, dude. My little truck that she's gonna get her shit done soon. So we're gonna be putting some glamour shots, or we're gonna do some drive-bys. We're not shooting people. Some rolling shots of his car. So yeah, we'll show you guys those in a minute.